How to adjust settings in horizontal position on Envision monitor. And okay guys, sir, in your Envision monitor, on the back, okay, you can see here the joystick. And you can push the joystick to the right to see these settings. Here in settings, go to OSD setup, okay, by pressing down the joystick. And push the joystick to the right and go to its position. And push down the joystick to select the edge position. And okay guys, the edge position is set into 100. Okay, you can push to the right. And now here in adjustment, okay, you can adjust now by push the joystick down or up. So okay, for example, you can push the joystick down and the settings is now going to left on your screen. And if you want back to right, push the joystick up to go to right into 100%. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully adjust settings and horizontal position on Envision monitor. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.